Hey everyone, Steve Lockyer here, and thanks for watching. This is part 2 for Shane Homes in Belmont. A little bit of wind today, woohoo! Today I'm going to take you on a tour through the Orion 2 by Shane Homes. This home here is over 2,100 square feet of living space. It is an open model. You could still customize it according to your preferences. This one you're going to see very much an open floor plan, lots of space, a huge bonus room upstairs, and more. So I'm excited to take you on this tour as well. Without further ado, let's go. Welcome to the Orion 2 by Shane Homes. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home has been upsized to 2,056 square feet. Upon entry, you'll enter into the open foyer with corner coat closet. I'm going to play some music, but I will be adding periodic talking points throughout. Please enjoy the tour. This central lifestyle room can be personalized to suit your needs, either enclosing it with a wall and making it an office space or leaving it open. This beautiful L-shaped kitchen has a spacious island and corner walk-in pantry. The kitchen cabinets feature a built-in wine rack, floating shelves, accent, and 3-inch crown molding. If you're looking for this particular model that's available in the show home, this is their super kitchen layout, which adds 36 square feet with larger nook, added cabinetry, larger central island, wall oven cooktop, and built-in microwave. This show home model has a 2-foot extension to the outside of the home, which extends the garage and second floor just to provide more storage space and additional living space. As we head upstairs, the large family room in the Orion 2 is located at the front of the house, and it has nice big windows to allow in that beautiful Calgary sun.
The owner's suite has been allotted enough space for your largest bed, as well as to accommodate you and your partner's wardrobes in the walk-in closet. No having to use up the other bedroom's closets anymore. It is located in the rear of the house, which is perfect for serenity and quiet, as well as a pick-me-up of Calgary sunshine if you get a north-facing lot. This upgraded deluxe 5-piece ensuite includes a corner soaker tub, flanked by windows, makeup counter, dual sinks, private water closet, and larger walk-in closet with abundant shelving.
Well, I hope you like that tour through the Orion 2 by Shane Homes. I want to know your thoughts on that. In Homes, they can customize it. So there are certain walls, for example, the bonus room or pocket office on the main floor, the wall can be removed there to make it just kind of all open from the foyer. So would you prefer that, or do you like kind of a structured office space where it's a little bit more closed off? Again, drop a comment below. Please fill in the form in the description below. If you are looking for real estate here in Calgary, that just helps me to stay organized and be able to reach out to you according to your needs. Otherwise, you can call, text, or email me. I hope you have a wonderful day, a great week, and as always, I'll catch you on the next video.